Hi everyone! Do you dream of becoming a YouTuber? Well, you're in the right place. First, you need a Google account. I've made a separate video on how to create a Google account. The link is in the bio. Now head over to youtube.com and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see an option called Create a Channel. Click on it. Upload a profile picture. Select picture from illustrations or from your storage. This makes your channel look professional and attractive. Now choose a unique and catchy channel name. This will be your brand, so pick something memorable. Don't forget to customize your YouTube channel. Link available in bio. YouTube channel has been created. Subscribe Techno Advisor for more update.